Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. My hair is up in a messy bun. You know what that means. It is a cleaning video. Today I decorated for Easter. I filmed a separate video and everything looks so pretty. So the living room and dining room are all cleaned, dusted, vacuumed, and all of that, but the bathrooms need to get cleaned. I need to mop, I need to dust and vacuum the bedrooms. I need to, just like a quick Swiffer dust, not like an in-depth dusting. I need to mop, I need to make dinner, I need to start laundry. I have dishes in the sink from throughout the day today. Everything just needs a good cleanup. You know when you're working in one room and then all the other rooms kind of go to you know? So, then that is it. I made a to-do list because I'm a disaster, but it's make dinner, clean bathrooms, start laundry, dishes, dust and vac, bedrooms, mop. Exactly what I just said. So, and then just like a general tidying up mainly of the kitchen area. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get cleaning.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around.
All right, and dinner is in the crock pot. I just put 2 big chicken breasts and a half a jar of salsa, and I cook that on high because it is already 4 o'clock. So it should take about like 2 hours to cook. So hopefully we'll be eating right around 6 o'clock. The kids will probably eat before because they'll be hungry. But that is such a super simple, healthy, yummy, quick meal. I just should have put it in earlier and got sidetracked and forgot. So moving on.
Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
above the shower. But I was told by my friend today to try, I sprayed Kaboom on here, and then she said to use this like Dollar Tree, who is calling me? Nobody that I know. This just like Dollar Tree mop to scrub out your shower. She's having a lot of back pain, so she said that this is what she's been trying, and she said she should have never done it any other way. So I am going to try it, and I'll let you know how it goes. That is like blue. It looks really, really dirty, but I mean, it is kind of dirty, but that is all blue Kaboom that I sprayed in the shower everywhere. So that's why it looks like that.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
Worked amazing, and it like I didn't even break a sweat, and my tub is perfectly clean now. So exciting. So this bathroom, if we can focus, there we go, is now clean. I have all the cleaning products out because I'm gonna go clean my bathroom. I'm not gonna film that because it's exactly the same thing I just did in here.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
Alright, well it is several hours later. As you can tell, my makeup is worn off and I am a mess. But we, the kids each had play dates. We didn't get home till after 6 o'clock. So we had dinner. I cooked dinner, the kids showered. I cleaned up the kitchen from dinner, so that is all set. But I do need to still start the laundry. I need to do a quick vacuum of all 3 bedrooms and the kitchen, which I've already done the bedrooms. But I'm going to film doing the floors and mopping. So then we will be done. But I won't switch the laundry over till, or I won't fold the laundry till the morning. Huh? What, honey? You can do it. Yes, so it is 8 o'clock at night. The kids are headed to bed. I'll do it before you go to bed. You don't have to take your time. So I needed to get at least the vacuuming done so that way they can get to bed and not be, you know, trying to go to bed. I can vacuum once they're asleep, but when they're trying to go to sleep, obviously it's kind of loud. So we're going to vacuum the kitchen, and I already did the living room area. That's all clean from earlier. And then I will I'm sorry, I'm like so tired. I am going to mop the kitchen floor, and then we will be done. So we're gonna do this, go get our mop, vacuum, mop, and be done. I cooked extra chicken to make a salad, and I haven't made the salad yet, and I just have chicken sitting here on a kitchen towel in the kitchen. I haven't slept well the last 2 nights, so I'm kind of a disaster, so we're just gonna go with it.
Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
Can you tell I've had a long day? I look a mess, so sorry for my appearance, but it is almost 8:30. Floors are washed, laundry is going, kids are in bed, mom needs a shower, a second shower. I showered this morning after I worked out, but I feel like I just need another one because I've been cleaning all day. Like, as you saw, I deep cleaned the bathrooms, did all that, and I always just feel icky after I do it, so. And I think I want to wash my hair again too. I just washed it the other day, but it feels like it needs to get washed again. I think I washed it Saturday and it's only Monday, but I don't get my hair done until Thursday, and I can't wait all till Thursday. So I think I'll just take a shower and blow dry my hair so it's ready for work tomorrow, because it's kind of a mess. So thank you guys. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching my cleaning video. I hope you enjoy cleaning videos. If you do, I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle videos on my channel. So if that stuff interests you, I hope you consider subscribing and joining my little corner of the internet, my little family over here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.